Okay, this is a simple feature. It's just a background feature. So it has all sorts of patterns. I don't often recommend these only because I think they tend to look really busy. And I'm more of the mindset that less is more, but if you like it, then go for it. So it just pops a background onto your canvas that you're working on. Okay. I'm going to use this opportunity though to show you the position tool. I think that'll work here. Oh no, it won't. Okay, I'm going to use it anyway. So let's say we've gone over elements. I have some text in here. I'm going to add a circle. Okay, so let's say I have a circle in there and it's now in front of my text. I want it behind my text. I'm going to go to position and go backwards. Okay, and that puts it behind that text instead of in front of it. Okay, so that's the position tool and the background tool.